In this tutorial, we will begin the installation process of the Ubuntu Linux LiveCD onto the hard drive. As you will see here on the default desktop, there is an icon labeled Install, which can be double-clicked to begin the installation process. This installation process can take upwards of an hour, so please do dedicate some time prior to installing Ubuntu Linux. The installation program will start after double-clicking the install icon, although again, since this is a LiveCD, things do load a little slowly initially. Once Ubuntu Linux has been installed onto the hard drive, the delay will be gone. This is the installation process. It's a very simple wizard-based tool that walks the user through every step. The first step here is to select the default language. The next step is to select a time zone and to make sure that the time is correct. The next step is to select the keyboard layout, and one can test the layout by clicking in the box and typing some text. The next step is to fill in some user information. After filling in the user information, the partitioning section of the installation process begins. Now, the first choice that you always have is to erase your entire hard drive and install nothing but Ubuntu Linux. This should be fine for some people, but most people might want to keep their Windows partition, in which case manually editing the partition table would be the option. I will demonstrate this manual editing tool, although this particular computer does not have Windows installed. This is the partition tool that is available. This box over here on the top right-hand corner will list all the hard drives available. This computer only has one, but if you had more than one hard drive, this would be a drop-down box selecting the different hard drives. Your first hard drive is going to be called /dev/sda or possibly /hda. Your second hard drive would be sdb or hdb. The A at the end signifies the first, the B the second, the C the third, and so on. Selecting a partition in the table will allow you to make partitions, delete partitions, and the like. In this particular case, I'm going to select Erase Entire Disk to install Ubuntu Linux. It will then verify how things are going to be installed and set up. Now, this option right here, Grub, will be installed too. Grub is the name of the bootloader that will be used with Ubuntu Linux. Now, most of the time, people will not want to change this option. But for advanced users who may already have a bootloader installed, this will give you the option to install the bootloader to another location. Everything looks fine here, so we're going to proceed. Now, the installation process will continue in the background, allowing you to still use the LiveCD while the installation continues. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much.